Kushi, what is this? Roots. What is this?
Stem.
What is this?
Leaf.
What is this?
Flower.
What is this?
Bud.
Bud. Very good, Kushi. Sit. What is this? Under the soil. Very good.
Stem. Leaf. Flower. Bud.
Tell me. Roots. Very good.
Stem. Leaf. Flower.
Very good, Lahari. Sit. Tell me. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Riya. Tell me, Anu. This is ma. Green part. Very good. Very good, Manu. Tell me. Tell me. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, ma. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, ma. Very good, Matrash. Roots. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Utkarsha. What is this? Very good, ma. Very good, Utkarsha. Very good. Very good. Green part, ma. Tell me. What is this green part? Very good. Very good, Moksha. Very good, ma. Tell me, dear. Roots. Very good. Very good. Very good. This. What is this? Leaves. Correct. This is flower. Flower. Very good, Sudanva. Very good. Very good. Very good, ma. Bhuvan. Very good. Very good. Very good, ma. Roots.